Out here at Christmas Hills, getting a little practice in before the muddy butt. Found this little jump here. Kind of the agenda today is just trying to get comfortable with the bikes, used to the dirt, and get some endurance in. Sam's feeling pretty comfortable on the bike. You know, it's only our second ride out today. Last night we tried to go out to Liberty. And I broke the bead on my rear tire, so it only ended with about 3 miles for the night. How do you feel, Sam?
That was fun.
Getting a little used to the bike?
Yeah, it's definitely different than the sled, but it's good to be back on the bike.
Hell yeah.
So unfortunately, I did happen to leave my GoPro case attached to my snowmobile helmet, so all I have is Jaden's point of view for today's video. He had some really clever lines through some of the freshly developed areas up here at Christmas Hills, and we even ended up getting into kind of a fun little battle at the end. Feel free to skip around the video to find the points that you're trying to watch. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I just had to buckle my... Woo! Oh yeah, they're starting to set up gates, huh?
Yeah. I want to explore some of these other little jumps.
Okay, do it.
Yeah, how'd you feel on that, like, first little bit as soon as you stepped off?
It's slick, dude.
Super slick.
But it felt good.
Yeah. I felt squirrely.
Get him out now.
There's the hill.
Now we're backwards.
Yeah.
Again, somehow.
I think the track is literally loops right next to each other. You just don't know it.
Yeah, I think so, dude. Well, we can turn around and go up. That's a hard hill right there.
Yeah. Do you want to go down to this lower section, go to the very bottom of that, and then turn around and then ride all the way up it?
Yeah.
That sounds like fun.
Let's do it.
That bottom hill is good too.
Oh.
That's a good section.
Woo!
Kind of want to see if we can climb all the way up straight up that.
Oh man,
That looks hard.
that's my one thing. I
Hills.
need hills.
Yeah.
I just cannot climb hills. Even though I did pretty good there. Stalled it out once on the hill, but that's a steep hill climb right there.
Yeah.
No! Oh. Sam made it up, looks like. I don't know. Looks steep from here. You make it?
Yeah, I'm at the top.
Lost my balance when all the lines converge into that little rock field and it hangs to right.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna come down to you.
I don't know if you guys can see how steep this is, and the massive rocks, they're just loose. Hit one wrong and you're just kind of bucked.
That is tough, dude.
I hit that rock.
I don't think I can do that one again.
That was hard, dude. I'm glad I made it this kind of this far. What, did you take this line?
I think I was over there.
Oh, you weren't even in it.
No.
See all these ruts? 23.1.
24.2.
Yeah, you did an extra mile. Wow.